Hi, I wanted to create this quick loom regarding an in and out payment, which is a much better solution to payments that, especially cash payments or people come in and make, write checks. So I'm going into just any insured at this point. I do need to go to documents and then invoices. And then from here, I will select here this take payment, and it's this take payment here. So it's recommendable to select a policy that they're being paid for, but I don't think you have to actually take a payment. You're going to put in the transaction date, and then you can call this anything you want. So if these don't suit your needs, you can just type in like monthly payment. And then here I'm going to put like $115, and you do your calculations with whatever fees or taxes. And then in the bottom right, we're going to select how we took the payment. Credit card ending 1234, and then we have a reference number REF 123456. And then I'm going to take payment. Now what this is going to do is it's going to create a credit payment. Maybe I didn't click this. Here we go, now it's processing. And that credit payment is going to be found here. So the next thing to do is from actions, we're going to pass through carrier. So we're going to click this. And then we can record that we made this payment to the carrier. And I think it was this policy. Yeah. You'll select the proper policy, obviously, and then you're going to put how you applied. We add this in here for you as a reference. I recommend keeping that, but you can put in, how you made that payment, agency sweep, and then make payment, and then that's it, and then you're done. I hope that helps. Thank you. Have a great day.